Ethacrynic acid is a diuretic that helps your kidneys produce more urine, which helps your body get rid of extra water. It is used to decrease swelling caused by conditions such as cancer, heart failure, liver disease, and kidney disease. This can help your kidneys work better and lessen symptoms such as trouble breathing and swelling in your ankles, feet, hands, or belly. It is important to note that this medication should not be used for infants. The daily dosage and optimal timing of taking this medication should be determined by your healthcare provider. When taking ethacrynic acid, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. Usually, you'll take it once or twice a day after a meal. If you take it too close to bedtime, you may need to wake up to urinate, so it's best to take it at least 4 hours before bedtime. Your doctor may start you on a low dose and increase it gradually to reduce the risk of side effects. Some people may only need to take it every other day or as needed. If your doctor has prescribed it for regular use, be sure to take it at the same time every day to get the most benefit. And if you don't see any improvement or if your condition worsens, be sure to let your doctor know. Some common side effects of ethacrynic acid include dizziness, lightheadedness, weakness, muscle cramps, upset stomach, or diarrhea. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. This medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. However, it is important to be aware that this drug is a strong, water pill, diuretic, which can cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. It is important to tell your doctor right away if you notice any symptoms of dehydration, such as confusion, unusual decreased urination, unusual dry mouth/thirst, fast/irregular heartbeat, or severe dizziness/lightheadedness. You should also contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, including easy bleeding/bruising, feeling of spinning, vertigo, hearing changes, such as ringing or fullness in the ears, decreased hearing/deafness, black/bloody stools, stomach/abdominal pain, vomit that looks like coffee grounds, signs of liver problems, such as nausea/vomiting that doesn't stop, loss of appetite, yellowing eyes/skin, dark urine. In rare cases, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your doctor or pharmacist. And remember, always consult your doctor or pharmacist for medical advice about side effects. Before taking ethacrynic acid, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to share your medical history, especially if you have gout, kidney disease, or liver disease. This medication may cause dizziness, especially when combined with alcohol or marijuana. It's important to avoid driving or operating machinery until you know how this medication affects you. It's also important to speak with your doctor if you are using marijuana. Ethacrynic acid can lower certain salt and mineral levels in your blood, such as sodium and potassium. Your doctor may recommend increasing your salt intake, eating potassium-rich foods, or taking a potassium supplement. It's important to discuss this with your doctor. This medication may also affect your blood sugar, so if you have diabetes, it's important to monitor your blood sugar regularly and share the results with your doctor. Your doctor may need to adjust your diabetes medication, exercise program, or diet. Before undergoing surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, especially dizziness and water/mineral loss. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking ethacrynic acid, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. Certain medications may affect how ethacrynic acid works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with ethacrynic acid include desmopressin, furosemide, and lithium. Additionally, some products may contain ingredients that could raise your blood pressure or worsen swelling. It's important to inform your pharmacist about all the products you are using and ask how to use them safely. This includes cough and cold products, diet aids, or NSAIDs such as ibuprofen or naproxen. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before taking any new medications or products while using ethacrynic acid. If someone has taken too much ethacrynic acid and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 for emergency assistance, or contact your local poison control center. In the U.S., you can reach the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It is important not to share this medication with others. Your doctor may also need to perform lab or medical tests to monitor your kidney function and blood mineral levels, such as potassium, while you are taking this medication. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments. If you forget to take ethacrynic acid on your regular schedule, just take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then it's okay to skip the missed dose. Just take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When storing ethacrynic acid, make sure to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. It's important to store it in a place that is not the bathroom and to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposal, it's important not to flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically told to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.